How to fix PC randomly shutting down in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if your PC or laptop is shutting down randomly in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first option is to look for the overheating. Overheating is one of the most common causes of random shutdowns, so you have to clean the air vents or fans and then check the temperature. Ensure that the temperature stays below 80 degrees Celsius. If the temperature are high, consider using a laptop cooling pad or additional cooling fans for your desktop. And if that's not your case, you can run a system file check. Sometimes a corrupted or missing file system could also lead to random shutdowns, so you can run a system file checker, that is SFC tool, to repair any file issue. So in order to fix that, all you have to do is press your Windows plus R key in your device, and here in the run prompt, here you have to type in cmd, then press enter in your keyboard. After you see the command in your interface, here type in sfc space / and here type in scan now, then press enter in your keyboard. After that, wait for the scan to complete and restart your PC after the repairs are finished. So this will also help you fix your problem. And if that still does not help you, now you have to look for your Windows update. Sometimes the Windows operating system itself can be the cause of shutdowns due to bugs or glitches. Ensure your Windows is updated to the latest version. Now to look for your updates, you have to open up settings in your device. Head towards the Windows update and install any available updates and restart your PC. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if your PC gets randomly shut down in Windows. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.